Tired of rough cuts and tools that just don't give you clean, accurate results? You're not alone, and the wrong miter saw can ruin your entire project. In today's video, we've picked some of the best miter saws that deliver power, precision, and reliability. Stick around. You might find the perfect tool for your setup. You can check the price and full details in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 1. Electric Goddess 5-inch Brushless Circular Saw. The Electric Goddess 5-inch Brushless Electric Circular Saw is designed for users who need compact performance without sacrificing power. Built to work with DeWalt 20V batteries, this cordless tool offers excellent mobility, making it ideal for job sites, home projects, and quick cutting tasks. Its advanced brushless motor improves efficiency, extends runtime, and reduces heat buildup, ensuring long-term durability. Despite its small 5-inch blade size, it delivers impressive cutting capability for wood, plywood, and light metal materials. The ergonomic handheld design enhances comfort and control, allowing users to work longer with less fatigue. Safety features and stable grip further improve handling, especially during precise cuts. This saw is particularly useful for installers, electricians, and DIY enthusiasts who require a lightweight, portable, and reliable cutting solution. Overall, it combines convenience, efficiency, and solid performance in a compact package. Number 2. Sliding Compound Multifunctional Miter Saw. The Sliding Compound Multifunctional Miter Saw is built for users who demand versatility and precision in one powerful machine. Featuring a smooth tie-bar sliding system, it allows extended cutting capacity, making it ideal for handling wider materials such as wood panels and aluminum profiles. The strong motor ensures consistent cutting performance, even under demanding workloads. Its multi-angle cutting capability allows users to perform bevel and miter cuts with accuracy, which is essential for framing, molding, and detailed woodworking projects. The sturdy construction enhances durability, while the stable base ensures better control and reduced vibration during operation. This saw is suitable for both professional craftsmen and serious DIY users who need flexibility across different materials. Whether you're working on furniture, construction, or metal cutting tasks, this machine provides dependable results with precision and efficiency, making it a valuable addition to any workshop. Number 3. PATUOPRO 8-inch Brushless Miter Saw. The PATUOPRO 8-inch Brushless Miter Saw is designed to deliver powerful performance in a compact and portable form. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, this cordless saw provides flexibility for users who work in different locations without access to constant power. Its brushless motor technology ensures higher efficiency, longer tool life, and smoother operation compared to traditional motors. This saw stands out for its ability to cut multiple materials, including wood, aluminum, and stainless steel, making it a highly versatile tool for various applications. The compact size makes it easy to transport and ideal for tight workspaces, while still maintaining excellent cutting accuracy. Its stable design and user-friendly controls allow for precise and clean cuts, even during detailed tasks. Perfect for professionals and DIY users alike, this tool offers a great balance between portability, power, and performance. Number 4. 10/12-inch Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The 10/12-inch single/dual bevel sliding compound miter saw is engineered for heavy-duty performance and professional-level precision. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor, it delivers speeds up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring clean and efficient cuts across a wide range of materials. The sliding mechanism allows for extended cutting capacity, making it suitable for large boards and thick workpieces. Its dual bevel feature enables angled cuts in both directions, reducing the need to reposition materials and improving workflow efficiency. The 0 to 45 degrees bevel range and 36-tooth blade provide accurate and smooth cutting results, ideal for carpentry, framing, and construction projects. Built with a durable frame and stable base, it minimizes vibration and enhances user control during operation. This saw is a reliable choice for professionals who need consistent accuracy, power, and versatility in demanding work environments. Number 5. DOVAMAN 10-inch Sliding Miter Saw. The DOVAMAN 10-inch Sliding Miter Saw is a versatile and feature-rich tool designed for precision cutting across multiple materials. It comes equipped with 3 high-quality TCT blades, allowing users to easily switch between wood, plastic, and metal cutting applications. The dual-speed functionality, offering 5,000 and 3,200 revolutions per minute, provides better control depending on the material, ensuring both efficiency and safety. One of its standout features is the built-in laser guide system, which improves cutting accuracy by clearly marking the cutting line. With a 0 to 45 degrees bevel range and 9 preset miter stops, it allows quick adjustments and consistent results for repetitive tasks. The sliding function increases cutting capacity, making it suitable for larger workpieces. Designed for both professionals and advanced DIY users, this saw delivers a perfect combination of precision, versatility, and ease of use. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.